Daddy Lumba would say one near bar. I could say Lumba near bar. And it was a common. Yes, and it was a friend of Robert and some of the kind. Not just a more party of themselves or committee members or mere coordinators. They have nothing to do with the family. And so, Oma wants to change. And without them, and they are not happy.
I send no diary, ya watching already on the TV. So, Mentime was a sorry, ya, and now so much in the dear in Aboma. Yes, if I'm a bed, Yanis in Urano. Story credit, ya do my piece from. Ah, yes, TV also subscribe. A video be a drop ya, or a first person to watch.
What do you mean, committee?
But I don't know, cancel what causes because I mean, members, you're more committee. So you say, Penia vice chairman committee, no, Chichi, representation on them see,
I could committee.
Ora, Collins Amankwah.
Obi on your vice chairman of a committee, planning, Obi, None offer and come. Then you are none offer to be uncome. Because I go for whatever what you must say.
And Bassa Papa Sh0w, one who says one who's a bushini,
or by office, and he's complaining. Because the cities are taking without them. Even they are led to be members of the committee, or some call president. Amankwah which are president, initiative, so catch a chief of staff. No moves up with the president. I say no can say to or kind of war. Let us learn to do what is right. So I remember will open to me with the president.
Which means we shall ninja committee in Cromatin when ninja.
It is an illegitimate committee that has opened an account that is dealing with the funds of Lumba's funeral in a manner that they don't accept. One of the committee members said, Obi and so can be said, who is Pabra?
Mpacho, Council, what say it's an illegitimate committee?
Yes.
How?
Why it's not sanctioned by the family.
Committee opinion was now say illegitimate.
Opinion constitute family. Can the opinion alone constitute a family?
I see the Buate was where the Buate was see a Lumba, Akosia say one brother. And I see they are illegitimate.
And the boy take a decision. Young consult. Is that a committee? And I Odobroni, Abuja for the papa, I am for Mr. or Nasofo, maybe a bearman. According
to Vice Chairman, I'll see a ni papa pen also.
Oh, but I listen to the Vice Chairman. Or the Ahim Pudiaba. Why not
the Ahim
Papa?
That's not what he said.
That is what he said to my hearing. Within the castle UTV, I don't know which medium you heard him, but I'm telling you what I heard. And the people have just left my office. Papa Shi, White, and one of his uncles. They just left my office. And they are complaining.
So are they complaining about people like Jiga, Nana Safo,
They are complaining about the strangers in the committee who are making the decisions, including the one you have called the vice chairman. Busybodies, no more committees, so they are complaining about them.
And now she will be Jessica. Obi account to
Jessica. One week Ghana could be accounts. That is what I'm told today. Your secret news with accounts, which does not include any of the family members, the head of family of somebody. So if you draw a cash without the notice of the rest.
This is a serious allegation.
It is not an allegation. It's a fact. You can call them and ask them.
So you have evidence on maybe account.
Carl Bank account. They are complaining. And I think that we should listen to their complaints and make sure that we resolve it to avoid this confusion.
I know my could be accounts, car bank, and one more GCK.
But we are journalists, you can investigate whether there's a car bank account that has been put in respect of Lumba's food. You can ask. In some of them, maybe a baby, but I can't even disclose some of them.
And Pacho,
if you go for that hotel, you from 28,000 out of the fund that has been gathered for the funeral.
I was suffering away, sir. I deal with now.
Yes. On one part of that hotel, you can ask him.
I was suffering.
Yes.
Okoda Hotel, Jessica, like Sikana.
For the period, no, that hotel.
Hey,
you can ask him. When the right thing must be done. Or this year, we are never suffering when I was a new. When you told him to cry that you know, the normal was any Abuja money and one of Makuba. Abuja does not constitute a committee without a sibling, without its direct anchor. And all of them will be protested. What if that? We should date only motion. If I have to date without consulting them, whether it will be good for them or not. Do you know what they told me?
Debut.
They said Daddy Lumba and Abuja no Mayaka before he's dead.
Daddy Lumba no near Busapen in Casa.
Abuja no.
Answer now, Babaconu no near Busapen in Casa.
No Moncasa. Social media.
But I want to catch him in a telephone. Tell me, Busawi.
I'm so back at you.
About no other catcher.
It had to do with Abuja and Daddy Lumba cooperative. And one disagreement. And only Catabio.
How was it? You must know near Cosas once on Casa before the room.
William Kusi saw a friend 2 days before he surprised his death because he called him 2 days.
David, Missy, almost no near Cosas once on Casa before the corner.
No, so 2 o'clock, Germany. In fact, one more mere interviews with one in the Amankwah. The Sh0w must all relocate on the uniform.
But say,
or Pama coach or Dobrin free.
Ah, but lawyer, science me out radio show carry is annual lawyer.
Ah, now they social media won't hear.
Ah, but social media seminar. Oh, lawyer.
And I want to question about the social media question. You are asking all the facts that I know, and I'm narrating them to you.
This is
He was going to relocate to Germany to live with the Costa.
When you be no can as I'm true.
Now to the Amankwah in the Gazette. Why did you be some more? Please make us, please make us more. See, only a Costa one can let be a catcher. Another one.
Me Busano, no, some of the main century, me Busano, Imanu.
Also die. Tell me and send me, Miss Who is the man of the Macado. The view that so Joey, Minimum Jama Kushasewa. And I make the minimum and then wouldn't be. Let me be sincere with you. Most of the things I'm saying, I heard them today. The family was there, all of them.
And you believe all of them?
Oh, why would a family member lie? What for? What is the benefit they will get from lying? May I have advised them severally? Because at the end of the day, it is peace we want. We want the funeral to be conducted in December as planned. And everything we are doing said that within the period of October, November, everything will be resolved. That is our game plan. But the fact of Tony Aguja one person, that's a member information. The Lumba himself has said he was relocating to Germany to live with the wife. And to tell you, to give you an indicator, on his 60th birthday, he says he made a complimentary remark about the wife. Kaokaya. And also they say, well, they knew the Kajamuti. Or Synchro said, Nigeria could just say one man and two women, yes. And then the creator, ultimately, yes, Ada. I know the Uti. And you know, I had something that he had planned to because there's only a one Kasa. There were disagreements between the two. Then I will know one Europeans. I know just much. And there might have been disagreement. But the fact of the matter is that they are still married. There are disagreements. And Aguja Sh0w complaint was justifiable. What they say on your body or massive in team. These were the complaints. And it's justifiable.
Na ne lawyer for so omugina before obekonu room mom so mo krata omutroyi so mo say Lumba so say Akusha se weja no
Lumba never instructed them. I will explain why. According to the sister that there were some accusations against him and Obi Amani engages that lawyer in respect of that Akedi and these other things that she said, nobody instructed her to do anything apart from that KD. So if you trade the PDR, I say, and once ever, because Daddy Lumba instructing on Nhyiaeso. One can't now what is a man,
Council Honorment, I say you because are you saying that because me I say question then it means that Baba Jama and Associates for no Oma on boom Muslim Tro Sansem.
Let's say Omo engage Omo in respect of that KD. You see, as a lawyer, I speak to what I've been instructed. What does it? I think I don't engage now say now why they go anyone nobody engaging. Those responses are bad. It is in conflict, in sharp conflict with Lumba's understanding of the relationship with the wife.
And you're not because who can see another say me and someone Baba Jama and Associate train and same beer. One no boom Muslim account.
No, but how can a lawyer say that because obedience can continue? Well, we can ordinance marriage. How can a lawyer, what is so say that? Don't worry under ordinance out in Sakwa, our enemy. Was that the instruction Lumba gave more legal understanding?
No more report to Nia Bushapini Kachiromo.
I'm not making a choice. I didn't know my Bushapini Kachi which are Australia. No problem. Me, our dear Bushapini was I will ask for the fact. Then as a lawyer, I will write whether or not our didn't go and never Bushapini because in Sabanti. Well, we are the one of actions, a ordinance and some of the body more. Now you don't write as though you are right. It's there. Oma Pale. Protest you are Bushapini lawyer.
Peace and
I would just say well need capacity. They are near this government.
Okay.
We have annexed letters written by lawyers for Abuja Sewa. One of the letters was saying that Lumba Bunukasi, our they don't doing marriage or money notice or the start to be most proceeding.
Near what Mesa and Company letterhead is no.
Notice of intention to commence legal action.
Yeah.
Does that constitute a legal action? When you know your maybe now, common sense guys, that didn't constitute legal action. But I consider for who die law office. And there's a notice of ordinance right between Mrs. Akucha Sewa and Charles Kojuputu. Does it constitute divorce? Course, the bet you after the application to run away. We reported case of prevention of Mrs. Akucha Sewa Pusu.
Now, send your cousin, another assembly wound is wedding could you know?
I obvious. I'll be lawyer, baby Sabaka to Matin could be the lawyer near Onumra. Yes, no, be a dinner, I'll say, actually, let's see a gua. Are you a lawyer?
No, a lawyer for years because our dear no just crata, Peus, my wife or crata, Suntian, and Yama or Kuma, Yawa dear. Who on earth, which lawyer was trained by the Ghana Law School, say that? Kawadenia Krata, who wants them echo enter to marriage under the ordinance? There are several authorities to it. Obi Jawa did 20 years. Beman will be Jabadiano. Adea, Yaguadiano. And you lawyer because actually now we need Supreme Court decisions on the matter. A crata, the Becca saying a crata. Okay, and Patrick Nidiama, Jinahanum saying Kakramamina, Honorable Collins, Owusu Amankwah. Funeral coordinator. Funeral coordinator, according to my instruction, and I'm not ready to banter with him. I'm not saying you should banter him, Pacho. Any DM, Pacho. No, I'm not ready to banter with him. I've not said to council, Pacho. Be able to check a council. Is he going to talk to legal matters or factual matters? Council and Pacho, account was a man who can need DM, a T40 and Pacho. Account was a man. And Pacho, I don't know if Nyabutrema me council, Mammy Majman away near court to them, Pacho council. Nyabutre council, any dear one. Honorable Osama Pacho to me come up to take me reviews or piece of FCV. About Nhyiaeso. Nepomwe Nyankopon. And Pacho, I am here funeral committee, Makobi account our car bank. Majiji Kebi. Ewo mu a eno no wo mo kura bia ye ni ma bia mo ye mo twetwe bi ka ebi obi koda bebi na ye tua ne ka ebi kura be 28,000 sa account yi unim hu bibi as a vice chairman ma ye committee no that's a question na message madam Akosia se wa lawyer me kasa nyede message no ba me nya akoda o message no ena Bushapini nya akoda no ni mo twetwe fom Matino, Nikasa, only say, and
Comment ça côté tinase alors il faut pas ina me ti so bia kasa gbegbegbegbe onu ko agu obi a ho fi
no ba kasa kasa gbegbegbegbe no so mpacho ni
mi kasa ogu obi a ho fi wa ya wan
de bi ba honorable Owusu Amankwah o kasa mpacho kasa gbegbegbegbe mpacho ye ni afri no de
me ka kire wo say abadi onye ni pate obi a e ya respect e na ye di ama
yes but respect no so di ama as radio station wo cheche mi ani etiefo nti se wo so ba na sese bi o kasa na ese wo hu mpacho bebre honom de me anka ne sa mpacho
abadi when you say matters of this nature no it is a matters of fact e are very delicate and sensitive and nothing na ware sem ne me pese me de ma no ebetu mu no eyi no ene ho hihye na ye hwe se bibia be ye boko na ene court atenase na court ahye se the dikan court clarifies that there's no injunction on the final funeral right no after court these are the statements I don't know what it is that court has to
but your council hold on Pacho one also person
making comments
and Pacho one also person Debbie Messi also person
there's no injunction there
and Pacho council member chance now reaction because one also person be bantan Pacho because yes
abati metro any dey kwan so o friend me no production friend me can tell me say
yeah Pacho
lawyer no me abati me nyama bieta me Pacho
no
metro asumje na ye nyina ye
honorable Usama
no platform me can say out of court settlement is the way to go and then court no tinase e wo kuma se no court no ahye se Nyankopon ya adomu a 28 October and I am Brabio. Na yambra no court na say parties to the suit no. And our parties involved. Yes, say you better settle our differences. Ne friend no answer na ya back court to name. It is a yenya ye pasu bi me won say penfo tin konya. Me personally anopay menya cause be me say bia e free the other side e ba chefe. Yenya ye hwe kwan ya ye befa so. Then you call the lawyer. Na waba tutegu. Na waba tutegu. Aden
Mpacho eyi mo bi account bi ana Mpacho mo bi account bi ana wo ka bank Mpacho
Mr. Lawyer ni say ni tikaya Mr. Lawyer no person good committee na animu asenete or the one CD and now send the client ese what the one CD abrewo e kwanya mo fa so mo gu ni pa animu aseno mo hwe yi o Apati
Mpacho mo bi account bi o ka bank ana Mpacho mo bi account
car bank BLC official bank ya 1 week no ena funeral committee ya engage womo se omomra na donations e beba no meye ho adwuma etime so car bank ena officially no ehwe eyi ne ho enhye ye physical tikasem ho
Pacho who are the signatories to the account anything
and who probu committee now let me know your line of question and I will be there because I'm not the chairman for the committee me a coordinator and mami who line of question I may provide the appropriate answers
because and same be about to Ghana chese Amankwah ye churches kebi ediama Amankwah bi 28,000
matches for being
so moi penifoni bisike bi hono makwama so what I'm asking is I am bi ampacho only may be o
say what is the kama we na tika saying me so clarify what answer na what determine them why
ampacho lawyer akasisi a e wo ye from obieti say obi ha ye 28,000 bucha peni kra baby hotel okoda ye ye sika e dia mana me busa say one na ye signatories to the account
na me bitao se ebusia panyini a woti jom eye ne de fie yi na se ebusia panyini abankan na wakwa akoda hotel na committee no abusuapanyin no kopa ne botia no bisa lawyer ne say no ogina benkuma na say nifa oni die abusuapanyin to be ready such amount for the 1 week observation ada na ye good ye timi good ipa ko fisa ai akwasi emu oya o say wo de odihie na wada ho na nipa no bi abo chidom na watimi aye a very successful 1 week na we na committee no atinase committee ne tinase madam akosia se wa wo hobi madam Ernestina Brempoma wo hobi abusuapanyini wo hobi
na empacho representatives Nyabuche me too
amunyina wo hobi ena ye account ye render account to ye no it was agreed say abusuapanyini entimi emo kasa nti baby okoda ye ne de ye hwe na se emoa bi ewo ho a ye fa nso na sene as a committee, and it was agreed and approved by the committee in the presence of lawyer Okase, the client. And the idea to now person who will go with the penny, I won't fee our Montana Sabi, Wakakofa, Obitika, one chicken, our Wakakoji. Other young Padana, do you think we are too cheap? Only me person on Kamabo. Medicabia Batun and Samaboka. And then I get it or Tony Akomapa Eya here. Nani pano bi aye wo adwene se ko bia so o mo be good Daddy Lumba ho afi eni nani mo wase oni commitment somebody like Roman father why in the scheme of arrangement adena mo go bia ho fi
me hu mpanyifo mienu a wo mo ne Zan Felix o mo ne Zan of empacho cancer me hu mpanyifo mienu a wo mo ne Zan Felix empacho council mpacho mema kwa honorable college uzama honorable mpacho honorable mpacho honorable
what is that
honorable mpacho bibi mpacho me enye sanity mpacho tie moma se bi eni di committee for mpacho bibi mpacho why mami mbusa wasemi mpacho me si me hu mpenifo mienu a wo Zan Felix yenia YouTuber blogger aye interview wo mo kaminim se bia we ni asisa interviews no o ma sem ne se committee no sa date kra mo share yi man consult ho na wie ya nso no council na lawyer gina ahwan so a wa kire mu se ebusuafo ne bi aba wo mo complain se nyama na kwan amodi o mo fa so vi meeting ni ade nyina no mo ya o mo nim ho hwe and they are not happy, they are complaining in fact they now come sa asemi o
Awaji Pacho I wish say enka me wo studio nanka my show WhatsApp platform official communication so nanka wo di wani ahie bi na wahwe bi na obi asem a o kana bontene no wo hunu kra ewo ni the best of my knowledge yen last meeting ansana sabi na ye na ye tuyenim rich kese bo asanteman emra sante hemato form eno ene ka ho ma ye suspend meetings kakra because sabi o hema da form a ye dan na ye betini anante mu say ye Daddy Lumba ye ehun enhihye at the meeting saying about ye and God is my witness and is being captured by the minutes now also at the meeting enti ni obi aka bia no sabi abusua no wo secretary ora Gabriel entry adano abusua panyin na chair meeting no and I'm also as coordinator na me say vice chairman on the committee me so na me no edito the issue of date came up to extend that omo wa bontina omo kaso mu ni mu hwe no yankopon ne me dance ni say in fact Yaminia diga crowd or no cate I bro nyampo de ya na ticket no libo ni e was so at the meeting we agreed because na busiani nyina wo ho so we agreed say bronya bosome which is December we were contemplating say either first week or second week and the second week 13th December. And I hear the first week in the social 6 December. So some people even made statements and after comments and a contribution say I 5th December no call a holiday, a national holiday, Farmers Day. It's the festive na ebeboa. Me see someone make Onyankopon hata way na semiditra. I was shocked. Say suddenly every date ebeto abontene. Enipa bi ti hwe Nyankopon ni pa be can say committee no date no they were not informed. According Emoya, you see it appears that some people are on destructive mission to extend that. I said, Daddy Lumba and Munyama Bata Sabi, Nidihu, and Impo, Namuno, Yan Sano. If not, and somewhere go up on Tingipa, Abusapenina, Sabi, where Yadina Chapia, or be a person or Cassetiano. Can you will be a few?
Okay, all right. Okay, and Pacho, but council, meaning say, be a Bibia Breno Asuna, Yemfisu, and Nhyiaeso every Premna Bibia, Yebesaba.
Namina has about the opportunity. And let me put on record that I represent the sentiment of my clients. And better still, the family of Lumba. Let me qualify the close family of Lumba, the immediate family of Lumba. I represent their sentiment, and I've spoken loudly about it. Honorable Kwale said, the interviews he has granted is more than the ones I have. The day I also say, Obiera and also court to say there's no injunction. Meaning, I was in the court. The court never said that. I can pardon him because he's not a lawyer. When a motion is filed, pending the hearing of the application, that thing that you are complaining of, is as good as the injunction is granted till the application is moved.
Lawyer. Men file lawyer that I'm telling you.
And you can't. I mean, can you take me as a lawyer?
No. You don't even know the issues in the first.
Busybody.
Why are you doing this? I don't know, President. Why are you doing this? Lawyer who wanted to avoid. Lawyer who the fact that we are practitioner doesn't make you a good lawyer. Mamika Samuchero. Oh, Kasa, there will be Eka. Asamo American said if there's an injunction on the final funeral writer, and Kakos to know and Nekos to know Ebama publicly will say there's an injunction. I'm coming. Please, I'm coming. Please. Don't lie this afternoon. You just make it. That's what I'm complaining about. Don't change your language. Cancel. I'm not a child. Cancel. If you're not a child, behave like an adult. Why you want to say are you an adult? What take advantage? Why are you doing that? Are you the only lawyer? Are you the only lawyer in this case? But be a bit I'm a good lawyer or not, my words will speak. I don't want to that's why I'm going up.
Please.
How do you problem?
Doesn't make any comment about me. Otherwise, I will respond to you.
Honorable Osamankwa, Menyasa, Pacho, my friend.
It's so painful, say.
My friend, opinion.
No, but don't do that. I don't even want to mention this. And then there's this Ghana law report. My lawyer hear me. Now on more research on this very issue. And since all
right,